Hello there, I'm a member of the training team, and today I'm going to show you the Practitioner Add tool in the Practitioner tab. You can add, delete, and deactivate practitioners in this tab. Its primary use is to keep track of practitioners' qualifications in your office and allow claims to be built out under that practitioner's ID. To get to the Practitioner Add tool, you'll have to open the Practitioner tab. To do that, click on Configuration, then Practice, then Settings, and then the Practitioner tab. We have another help page that covers the entire tab and the question mark on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. This video will go into more detail about the Practitioner Add tool itself and show you some other important things about this tool. Now that the Practitioner tab is open, you can open the Practitioner Add tool. You can open this tool by clicking on the Add Practitioner button on the bottom right-hand side of the page. You will fill out these fields to add a practitioner to the system. Please note, not all these fields must be filled out simply to create an entry. The practitioner's first and last name, degree, national provider identifier, specialty code, and practitioner ID are required to add a practitioner to the system. Every practitioner has one schedule associated with them in the system, though they can have more. Enter in the schedule name field the name of a practitioner the way they would like it to appear on their schedule. For example, if Dr. Peter Brown goes by the name Dr. Pete, then you can enter that here. You can indicate here if this schedule is the primary one or an additional one with a specific purpose. For example, Dr. Peter, new patients. Let's go with Dr. Pete. Don't fill in the practitioner title on EMR field. This field is no longer required and should be left blank. Fill in the first and last name fields. You can add a middle initial if you want. The Practitioner ID field is used to create a unique identifier for the practitioner in the system. Once this identifier has been created, it cannot be changed. Often this is the license number of the practitioner, but this is no longer required. The U-PIN is another unique identifier that was used by Medicare to identify practitioners. It was discontinued in 2007 and has since been replaced by the NPI. Enter the degree that the practitioner holds in the degree field. The NPI, or National Provider Identifier, is a national number issued to the practitioner by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. It is used when filing claims. The default service facility is the location where the practitioner primarily works. If a patient has a claim with this practitioner and has no assigned service facility and no previous claims, then this is the service facility that is listed on the claims. You can enter an abbreviated name in the abbreviated name field, and that name will appear as the schedule name for this practitioner in the schedule tool. This will override the schedule name field. Enter the specialty code here that indicates the specialization of the practitioner. Check the cash-only box if the practitioner does not need the EMR section of the travel card. Cash only is for those who don't create EMR notes or want a reminder to change the rendering practitioner. You will use the Import Practitioner ID field if a practice uses other software to create the claim and then imports it into the system for billing. The practitioner ID in that software may not match our system practitioner ID. If that is the case, this field is used to list the practitioner ID from the other software. In Ohio, certain non-doctors can issue prescriptions. If you are in Ohio, you can use the Ohio CTP number field to record their certificate to prescribe number. The DEA number is a number assigned to a healthcare provider who is allowed to prescribe controlled substances. You can enter that number here if you need to. The system runs electronic eligibility automatically each night for patients that will be in the next day. This field is for setting the code for the type of eligibility to be run. The list of options is the same as the list in the electronic eligibility screen, accessed from More Verify on the scheduler. Once you have filled out all the fields that you need, you can click the Save button. This will save the information and close the window. If you do not wish to save your work, then you can click the Cancel button. I'm going to save what I did. Now, what if I want to edit existing practitioner information? You can edit it by clicking on the icon next to the practitioner's name in the Practitioner tab. The Practitioner Add tool will pop up and you can edit or add any existing information here. Remember, you cannot edit the Practitioner ID. Now please be careful editing any existing practitioner information. You should discuss with your coach any changes that you want to make to the information in this tool. Any errors made here could cause problems with your billing. Well, that's all there is to this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and click like at the bottom of the page. Goodbye for now and have a great day.